Hello guys and welcome back to our channel Travel and Jobs. Hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to tell you how you can get a UK work permit without giving an IELTS or any other English test, and I will also show you supermarket jobs, bus drivers jobs, cleaning jobs and other jobs that do not require any experience in the UK. You can apply completely for free. Additionally, for a lot of the jobs I've listed here, you'll receive full sponsorship, which includes free visas, free airfare, free lodging, and even free meals. I'll be demonstrating to you legitimate websites created by the UK government to assist UK firms in hiring individuals like you, who are foreign workers, for both skilled and unskilled professions. You may rest assured that all of your employment offers will be legitimate because these websites are official representatives of the UK government. You can be paid anywhere between £26,000 to £65,000 annually, which is a great salary, and you'll be able to save your entire salary if you receive complete sponsorship, as you won't have to pay for rent, travel, and food expenses. The UK government is also going to increase base salaries offered shortly. I'm going to cover every aspect of UK-sponsored employment in this video, including who can offer you these positions, the pay and benefits you'll receive, all the prerequisites, websites where you can locate all these sponsored positions, and a step-by-step breakdown of how to apply for no cost. So do watch the video till the end and subscribe to our channel if you've not done so yet. Who can actually give you your sponsored jobs? Only businesses in the UK with formal government appointments are permitted to offer sponsorship positions to foreign applicants. These approved sponsors are listed on the official UK immigration website. Finally, let's visit the UK government websites that feature open posts. The first website is Find a Job is the gov.uk website. And as you can see, there are more than 150,000 vacant positions all over the UK. You can filter in the category of your work experience. As you can see, there are openings for both skilled positions like those in healthcare, engineering, accounting and finance, HR and recruitment, IT, PR, retail and sales, advertising, etc., as well as unskilled positions like those in warehouses, as drivers, as domestic helpers and cleaners, in the construction industry, in agriculture and fishing, etc. You can apply as a seasonal worker for employment in agriculture and fishing without taking any English tests or meeting any high credentials or prerequisites. You'll have to scroll below and make sure you filter in permanent jobs, and of course those which are full-time positions. Say you're looking for employment in the healthcare industry. Simply choose healthcare from the list of categories on the left to view more than 27,000 healthcare positions along with their locations, Saturday availability, and the ability to sort by relevance, salary, or even the most recent ads. You can even view your responsibilities and benefits, like your overtime pay, pension, and other incentives, if you scroll down below. Simply click the Apply for this job button to start the application process. You can then establish an online account and upload your resume and cover letter. In the UK, warehouse occupations are similarly in high demand and call for little to no special training. More than 3,000 warehouse jobs are accessible, as you can see on this website, and applying for these positions from outside the UK is much simpler. There is a considerable demand for supervisors, forklift and lower-level picker drivers, delivery drivers, general laborers, whereas, cleaners, and warehouse support. For basic labor or cleaning jobs, for example, the lowest pay for these employment is at least £11 per hour, and you'll also receive a lot of perks. Additionally, there is a significant demand for drivers throughout Europe, not only in the UK. As you can see, there are a lot of job openings, more than 12,000, for drivers compared to other positions. Truck drivers can be paid more than £30,000, and you even get a lot of bonuses, benefits, and other incentives. Anyone who wishes to work as a nanny, cleaner, housekeeper, or kitchen staff can easily get employment with lots of benefits, including free housing, free travel, and free food as well. Domestic assistance jobs are also very simple to obtain. Many of these roles will be live-in ones, so you won't have to pay for rent, food, or utilities. These jobs don't demand a lot of talents and pay really well, up to £100 to £140 per hour for that matter. You'll be saving your entire salary this way. The next website you can go to is uktiersponsors.co.uk. You can approach them with a UK-based CV and cover letter by using the list of businesses that indicates their location in the relevant industry, the tier rating, and even links to their official website and LinkedIn accounts. You can look for open openings in your industry by filtering via your job category to the right. You can go to the careers page of the first one IECC, a healthcare organization, for example, and upload your CV there. You can also contact them via their email address or contact page. Similarly, you can reach out to any of these sponsors on their web pages or LinkedIn profiles. There's another website called companyjobs.co.uk which we always mention on our video, which has basically been designed to help temporary visa holders, whether you're on a visitor visa or a seasonal visa or a work permit, to help you find sponsors in the UK that will provide you with full-time job offers. A list of official sponsors will appear when you select Find UK Sponsors. You can view the location, the visa offers, and even the amount of C0S letters or certificate of sponsorship letters that each firm has granted over the course of the past year, which includes well-known brands like Concordia, TCS. Here too, you can filter in your job category to check sponsors for your job sectors to apply. Simply head on to their careers pages or contact forms. Remember that you can also apply for the UK Seasonal Work Visa, which replaced the Tier 5 Temporary Work Visa. For the Seasonal Work Visa, there's no age limit. You don't need an English language test, you don't need a higher education, and even freshers can apply for many of the positions available under this visa. Every year, the UK government is handing out 30,000 seasonal work visas, and 10,000 more will be provided if there's a need for them. You can earn anywhere between £37,000 to £44,000 in the UK, and your minimum wage per hour will be £10.42. With this visa, you can come to the UK and work for up to 6 months at a time. It's been introduced to meet the labour market needs in the UK. You can have a look at the detailed requirements and application instructions in a separate process video that I have recently uploaded. So that was how you could get sponsored jobs in the UK. We hope this video helped you a lot. If you like it, please share your thoughts with us in the comments section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not done yet. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in our next video.